Hello YouTube, welcome again to my channel. I'm going to do an unboxing today. I'm very excited about it. I got some new sandals from Coach. Ugh. Hopefully they fit. I'm just going to unbox them and then I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts on them. I was looking for leather sandals because they're going to hold up better. I always have trouble opening these boxes, like my brain confused on how to open them. Also, I can't remember if I got gift wrap or not. I did get gift wrap! Oh my god, the experience. Okay, so thank you. I got a little thank you note. Cute. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with quality and attention to detail. Coach has been known for since 1941. La-di-da. Okay, check this out. Then we got nice box, paper, and oh, the presentation, so pretty. Oh, this is a quality box. Oh my god. Ah! Quality box. Oh. Then we got my receipt. Don't mind my scuffed chair, but oh my god. Oh, cute. They just like put a ribbon on it. Oh my god, that's so cute. Thumbnail? Okay, I think that's enough thumbnail. Let's open this. Oh, ruining a perfectly good bow. Tragedy. Perfect ribbon for my cats. Oh, there it goes. For my cats. Oh, and there that goes. I guess the tear. Hopefully these fit me, because some people said they kind of ran big, so. Ooh, okay. They do kind of look big. Let me compare to my other shoe. Oh no, they're about the same. They're just kind of wide. They run wide. Cute though. Check it out. They're very orange. Well, not quite orange. They're more coral color. Focus. So they've got leather upper here, and then on the inside, and then it's a jacquard material on the sole with a little leather logo, and then a matching sole. I thought this was so cute. They look like they got some dirt on them or something. I don't know. Fibers and stuff. Weird. But yeah, these are so cute. I can't wait to try them on. Cute. They're gonna match my purse perfectly, and also match my phone case. Cute. I'll have to try them out and do my review of how they fit and everything, but yeah. They seem to be really nice quality and they were on sale for $120, so I was like, yes, please. I was looking for some nice leather, comfy sandals, and they're fairly wide, so they're gonna feel actually comfy to wear, so excited about that. But yeah. Thanks for watching my unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time for hopefully a review, and also I'm going to review my new purse, so coming soon. Stay tuned for that. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that button if you want to see more purse stuff and all that good stuff, like art, and I like food too. So yeah. Bye everybody. Bye bye. See you on the next one.